Lo mcimbi ubukhangisa nangobumbane lamazwe esifundi iSADC.
This is what we are, and unfortunately sometimes politicians mess it up a bit, but this is a reflection of our people.
Today has been an awesome experience. It's more like an African adventure. Come out here and taste the local wines that are manufactured in this country. And looking out here is the awesome spread of food.
What an experience. The mojo, it was absolutely amazing.
Labafundi abavele ekolishi lendawo baphinde baba nethuba lokukhombisa amakhono abo okupheka ukudla okuhlukahlukene.
The time to prepare, we're knowing that we prepare African cuisine, whereby beSADC soldier from Zimbabwe, Tikobe from Botswana, and also amathe from Swaziland.
Phakathi kokudla bekukhona bekunamacimbi abizwa ngemopane.
Ngizamile amasonja nga-taste eyodwa kodwa angifuni ukuthi ngiphinde ngitaste enye. Yeah, kodwa ke okunye ukudla bekumnandi, amawotwane bemnandi, ujeqo bumnandi, isitambu simnandi, konke into be perfect. Kodwa amayonja ngiyabonga.
Manje apha kule festival ngitya amaqonya, bengiqala uwatsha, siwabiza amaqonya ekhaya, so amnandi shame yazi amnandi ngaphinde ndiwatye futhi.
Nakuba umculo, imfashini nomdanso bekuyingqikithi yosuku, abahleli bazwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngesimo sesifunda.
We're celebrating countries around beSADC. As the foundation, we feel that we as Africans, we love each other, but we believe that our leaders are not doing enough to assist us to sort our differences. Hence, we decided to use our annual event, this is a city food and wine tasting, to celebrate this day.
Selokwasungulwa lo mcimbi usunikeza intsha eningi ithuba lokukhula emkhakheni eyehlukene yamabhizinisi.